And now our final story. In the world's coldest corner, the ice is melting faster than anyone thought possible. A glacier collapsed in Antarctica, disappearing by nearly 50% in just 2 months. The fastest retreat ever recorded in modern history. The Hektoria glacier's sudden vanishing act isn't just a scientific shock. It's a stark warning from the front lines of the climate crisis. What researchers stumbled upon was more than a natural event. It was a sign of accelerating instability at Earth's frozen edge. And experts say if larger glaciers begin to follow the same pattern, it could trigger catastrophic sea level rise, reshaping coastlines, cities, and lives around the world. Here is the report.
In the frozen wilderness of Antarctica, a glacier the size of Philadelphia has just pulled a vanishing act that left scientists stunned. The Hektoria Glacier, nestled along the Antarctic Peninsula, shrank by nearly 50% in just 2 months, the fastest retreat ever recorded in modern history. To put that in perspective, grounded glaciers like Hektoria typically inch back a few hundred meters a year. But between November and December 2022, Hektoria retreated a jaw-dropping 5 miles. Experts say the rate of retreat is just crazy. The discovery published in Nature Geoscience was a stroke of scientific serendipity. Researchers weren't even studying Hektoria. They were monitoring nearby sea ice when they noticed the glacier had lost a huge chunk of itself in record time. What they found next painted a worrying picture of a warming world. For more than a decade, a sheet of sea ice anchored to the land had kept Hektoria stable. But when the protective layer broke apart in 2022, the glacier lost its balance. Waves and warmer waters surged in, breaking up the ice tongue that once stretched into the bay. And beneath the surface lay another culprit, an ice plain. A slippery seabed that made the glacier especially prone to collapse. Once the first slab fell, it set off a domino effect, carving one iceberg after another. While Hektoria itself is small by Antarctic standards, the event sends a chilling warning. If larger glaciers, some the size of Britain, were to retreat at the same pace, the result would be catastrophic for global sea levels. Antarctica alone holds enough ice to raise the world's oceans by about 190 feet. Antarctic glaciers aren't just frozen landscapes, they're planetary regulators. Their bright, icy surfaces reflect sunlight, helping to cool the Earth. They drive deep ocean currents that distribute heat across the globe and store about 70% of the world's fresh water. When these glaciers melt, it's not only sea levels that rise, it's global instability, from disrupted ocean circulation to flooded coastlines. Findings raise the bar on our understanding of how fast Antarctic glaciers may retreat. And that understanding is crucial, because these icy giants are the planet's thermostat, and they're starting to break. In other words, the world's coldest place just gave us one of the hottest warnings yet.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.